胸を揉んでいい回数は3揉みじゃ。
Hi guys, it's Raiden. Welcome to my channel today. Recently, there are two figures have arrived. One is Chainsaw Man Power, another one is Spy X Family Anya. So all of them are 1/6 scale action figures and all from threezero's products. So of course today I would like to unbox one by one. Firstly, I will review the Power, then go back to Anya, okay? So let's review the color box of Power first. If you have watched the anime of the Chainsaw Man, you will know Power. She is blood devil, so maybe that is the reason her color box is so colorful. And if you have watched the anime, you will remember her cat is very cute. So the design of Power's color box is also a window box. threezero always use this kind of design, and we can see the physical product inside. Okay, right now let's unbox the Power and see the physical product inside. Alright, here we go. Let's open it and see the Power. So we have the Power over here. Check the main body as usual. So this is the Power, and let's check her head sculpture. Yeah, the head sculpture is okay, just like the anime character. And the two red holes is very sharp. Please be careful of your hand when you play it. So the design of the jacket, it can be actionable because it has the iron or steel inside. The same design about her tie. It also can do the different action, and it has the steel or iron inside. About Power's hair, her hair, the limitation about his action ability, and no many post her head can move because it was stuck here by her plastic hair. So let me check another part of her main body, the shoes. So one half t-shirt just in pants. It is based on the original anime character. It is very good. So after we review the main body, we will check the different accessories. So I have an idea. I would like to check what kind of body and threezero used and about this character. We will do it later, okay? So let's check another accessory. As we know, and she is the blood devil, so she can use the blood to transform to the shape of the different weapon. The most famous is the saber. It's very sharp. Please be careful, okay? And another one is the hammer. All made, in anime, these two weapons all made by her blood. One hammer and one saber. So we have the two head sculpture, so we can do the switch. to actual head sculpture, we can do the switch. Put it here first. So of course we know the cat. This cat is Power's good friends. I'm so glad threezero can make it out and inside this product, and it will accompany with Power. I think she will feel very happy, and we can display the cat and Power together. So this one is about the plastic hair. So remember what I'm complaining about the hair, lots of limitation, and it cannot do many action because of the hair. So we are going to change this plastic hair right now. Maybe we can see more post it can do. Okay, so I will put this here. Let's change the plastic hair of Power. So we also maybe can use the different face. So I will do it later. Okay, the firstly we will just move the Power's head out of body. Okay, we did it. And remove the original plastic hair. Put it here. So we are not going to use it at this moment. So put it here. So we will hold this original face and use the actual plastic hair to see if it will be a little bit better to help this figure to do more action. So right now we will put her head sculpture go back to her body. Alright, just put it back, and much better. So of course after we change the new plastic hair, and the Power's head can do more post. Yeah, of course everyone should do that if you purchase this figure. This one is so strict, just to give lots of limitation, but this one is much better. So we have the actionability right now. So of course let's text how many posts Power can do, and oh my god, that's great. Let's try to do the maximum and try to test the limitation of this toy. Please, when you just play it, and do not use force to do some difficult pose. It will damage the body. I can control because I can feel that what kind of pose and she can do or she cannot do. Alright, actionability is great. You just can do the pose like she's jump very high and attack another devil. Yeah, of course it's very nice figures and very beautiful female character threezero made. Okay, no finished because I try to do the different combination and try to test the different pose. And of course, in order to do that, we need to change the hand. Put it here. How about one hand is saber, another hand is the hammer? Okay, let's do it. I'm so glad I received the power. It's so cute. Okay. One hand is the saber. Another one is the hammer. Great, give me 1 second. Let me finish it. Yeah, I can use this chance to change your face. Maybe you guys would like to see that. And hold a saber and hammer. It means she is in battle. So we use a battle face. Battle face is here. Okay, here we go. This is the battle face in Power. She feels very angry. It's very angry. And put a hand, go back to body. Alright. One saber, one hammer, and the angry face of Power. So let's have a close look of the angry face of the Power. And I'm glad it has the switchable plastic hair, so it has power to do more post and just match the original characters in animate. So let's have a close look and see the detail of the fabric, hair sculpture, face, and weapon. Power, her jacket is also actionable, so you can just base it on the different scenario or situation to do the different action. Okay, it's very cool, very cool. So have a check about this character's back. It has a hoodie. After we check the angry face, we will change another one. This one is the shock. It means she feel very surprised. We can change this face and maybe hold her cat, so we will see how does it good or not. So give me 1 second. Remove the weapon. And maybe this time we need to change the different hand. And change to the surprise face. Move it slowly and carefully and pull the surprise face. Okay. Alright, here we go. This is the surprise face. So put her hair back to the hair sculpture. I'm so shocked. We have the surprise face of the Power, and we need to put another hand on her. This is the victory hand, victory hand. This is the hand of pouring some things. So we even can do some very silly or stupid action. So many things we can do about these figures. You will love it. Yeah, he's very, I cannot say it's a very silly or stupid face, but it's so cute. I just would like to take a picture of it and become the cover of our video, maybe. So many attraction. Yeah, that's great. It's very I try to do more combination. Okay, I will try to do more combination. So let's switch another hand. So right now we still have 2 pairs of hands left. Let's check it out one by one, okay? So this is the hand. We can have a close look. Another one is this one. I think it can use in battle or do some cute action. So we have reviewed all hands she has. Let's do the final post and let's just see the design of her body, okay? The final post, I design this pair of hands. Do a cute post. Yeah, just like the cat. Or you can... Wow, unbelievable, I'm so surprised. Yeah, so many poses that she can do. It's so funny. And if you have enough imagination, just try to do more, okay? So it definitely like cat action. So we can put her cat together. It's so funny. A power with her cat. Okay, right now I would like to check the design of Power's body because I think it is the first one. threezero maybe use the new technology or just customize a new body, new female body just for Power. Maybe, so we need to find it out, okay? So in order to find it out, we need to remove the head capture first. And after that, shoots. Yes, you can see it is still connection. You are not going to worry about the broken, okay? So we need to just spread it out so we can find it is iron or steel connection. It just protect when you play it and no broken. Another one. So this time is remove the hand. Undress the jacket. So we only have the t-shirt right now. So the design of the magical tape is not in front but behind. Let's continue to discover more of this body design. Because when I play it, the feeling of this body makes me feel so nice. Yeah, you can see that it's not just like the original body like Hot Toys used. Alright. It's definitely designed for the Power, of course, we can see that. Because you can see the color difference, the different plastic part of Power's body. It's definitely a new body and a design for Power. You can see the design of it is totally different between another female body from threezero or Hot Toys one. And I believe this one is the new design just for the Power. That is why when I play the Power and it can make so many poses and the action ability we can test of this body. It is great. See? This is the maximum pose we can do. Another hand is okay. So let's explore more about Power's body. It looks so nice. And of course, the shape of body can match the anime character. And what we have here? Oh, what the surprise! Let's use the magnetic. I remember this detail. Oh my god, threezero just make it out. If you have watched the anime of Power's character, she will describe her Mimi is very small. So, in this point, she used these things to make her Mimi looks bigger. Oh my god, I cannot believe threezero just make it as the true product. Oh my god. And the connection is totally use the magnetic. Oh my god, what a surprise. So this product, I think the threezero designer is really used hard to do the production. Use the magnetic to put it out, put it back, and it's totally up to you. If you power and she arrived, you can decide it looks bigger or small. Just move it or put it back. Okay, it is so nice. It's no worry to just make any damage because it is magnetic. I'm so glad we together to review the product of the Chainsaw Man Power from threezero together. If you are one of the Chainsaw Man fans, maybe you can consider to correct this product because lots of hidden detail inside. We already know that. Maybe you can explore more and let me know, okay? Thanks for watching, and I need some time to clean it up, and then we'll go back to the next product, Anya, okay? Thank you very much, and I'm so glad you still keep watching my channel.